Hi, stage 3. We are going to continue on in our series of looking at Mesl, our structure that can help us to understand how to put our persuasive paragraphs together. So far, we in our video series have looked at the first aspect, the M, which stands for make your point, where we state what our point is on a particular topic, and that's also called our topic sentence. We've also had a look in the second video at the E, which stands for expand your point, which is basically where we're saying our main idea in another way. We're expanding out our topic sentence in another way that gives a little bit more information. Well, today we're going to the third in our series in Mesl, the S. And the S stands for support your point. Now this means that you're going to back up your point. You're going to give examples from your own knowledge or perhaps from research. Now you might know, for example, let's take the topic of banning smoking or the idea of smoking. You might already have some prior knowledge or some information that you already know that might be able to back up your point about perhaps banning smoking. You might know some things about the health benefits of giving up smoking, or perhaps the way that smoking damages your health in a certain way. But you might also want to research to find out some facts or some statistics from experts that can support your point as well. And if you'll remember, from a couple of weeks ago, we looked at logos as a good technique in persuading our audience. So this links quite nicely with the idea of logos, being able to use facts, statistics, some research to be able to strengthen our arguments and to help to make them more persuasive. We're going to have a look at an example from a text. Should we pay for plastic bags? Here is the text here. People should pay for the plastic bags that they use for their shopping. So many bags are used that it is essential that the user should be charged a small amount for the bag. According to the organiser for Clean Up Australia, over 60,000 bags are used to carry shopping home each week. Making consumers pay for the bags that they use would encourage them to have reusable bags instead. Can you spot the third aspect, the S, support your point, within this passage? Which sentence tells us the supporting details? There it is there. I've underlined it for you. So according to the organiser for Clean Up Australia, over 60,000 bags are used to carry shopping home each week. So we can see that this is a statistic or a particular fact or a piece of data, you might say. And we've also referred to an expert in an organisation here as well to support the point that we've been making about people having to pay for plastic bags. So this is your turn. I've put some example pictures here on the screen for you. We are going to look at junk food. What I would like you to do is to choose your own topic that is relating to junk food. I might give you a couple of examples. If you get a little bit stuck, you might want to perhaps argue that canteens shouldn't sell junk food to children. You might want to talk about the advertising of junk food, that it shouldn't be advertised so heavily on television. Or perhaps you might want to swing it around the other way. You might want to argue about people should eat more healthy foods. So once you've picked a topic that you would like to argue about, what I would like you to do is write a point, make a point about this particular topic. Then you're going to expand that point into another way of saying it or strengthening that main topic sentence. Then I want to see if you can either use your knowledge about junk food, or perhaps you might need to do some research. And I want you to be able to support the point that you have been making with another sentence or two that includes some facts or maybe some statistics as well. Have a go at that task. Remember, you can rewind this video and replay it at any time, particularly with this task. If you would like to go back and do one part at a time, pause in between and go back as many times as you need to. And when you have finished your make a point, expand your point, and then thirdly, supporting your point on your junk food topic, I want you to take your piece of writing to your teacher. Good luck.